Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some cats out of Play-Doh. Take a piece of Play-Doh and roll it into a little ball. So it's like this. And then pinch it into a cat's ear. Like that. And then, now that we have that, let's put it aside. And then make the body. So we want to make sure the body is nice and small, but also bigger than the head. So that's the tricky part. So let's roll this into an oval. Like that. And then let's smush it, just the top and bottom. And then let's make this part a little bit skinny. So it's like the neck. Just like that. So it's like a pot. And then let's put the pot with the head. And then it's gonna be the body and the head. So now let's start doing the legs. The legs are one of the hardest parts. May not seem like that, but it is. So you curl it like that. You turn it into a snake and then curl it. So this is the leg, and then this is the hind leg. And then you put it on just like that. It's perfect. Now let's do that again. Roll it into a snake. Make sure one part is skinny and one part is big. And then curl. Curl. And then put on. Curl, put on. Second. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now let's make the tail. So you take a big chunk, or maybe just a little bit smaller, and you start rolling it. This cat won't have a face. So you start rolling it into a snake. Make sure it's pretty long, not so long, because we want it to reach the top of its head. And then you put it under, and then you hook it to the back, just like that. Hook it to the back. And then you have your kitten with the tail on its back. Okay, now we're gonna make the arms. So take a little bit and then roll it like that size. And then you curl it into a triangle, just like that. And then put it right there. Beep, beep. There we have it, our little kitten. So now that we have our kitten, we're gonna make our mama cat. Now do everything that we just did, but bigger for the mama kitten. And there is our mama cat and baby cat.